Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial I will show you how to automatically send emails through Gmail using Zapier. Let's get started. To begin, log into Zapier and click on Create Zap. For your trigger, choose the app that should start the automation. For example, select Google Sheets if a new role should trigger the email. Now, configure the trigger by selecting the correct account and document, then test it to pull in sample data. Next, add an action step and search for Gmail. Choose Send Email as the action event. Now, connect your Gmail account and grant the required permission. In the Setup section, enter the recipient's email address, subject line, and message body. You can use fields from your trigger data to personalize the message, for example, pulling in names or dates. Once everything looks good, click Test Step to preview the email. If all works as expected, publish your Zap and it will start sending emails automatically based on your trigger. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.